Hello, future Python masters. Take a look at this complex code on the screen. These are advanced machine learning algorithms, the kind of stuff you'll be able to write if you keep practicing and following along with this course. Exciting, right? But every great journey begins with a single step. So, let's start with the basics and build a strong foundation. Today, we're going to write a simple Python program to get you started. Don't worry if you have no prior coding experience. This is where everyone begins. Make sure you write the code along with me. Here we go. Let's break this down. First, we have two variables, number 1 and number 2, with values 5 and 3, respectively. Then, we add these two numbers and store the result in a variable called sum. Finally, we print the result using the print function. Simple, but powerful. There you go. When we run the program, Python calculates the sum and displays it on the screen. This might seem basic now, but it's the foundation of much more complex programming. Now, let's talk about the importance of daily practice. Coding is like learning a new language or playing an instrument. The more you practice, the better you get. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Consistency is crucial. Try to code a little bit every day. This regular practice helps reinforce what you've learned and makes it easier to build on your knowledge. Hands-on learning. Always write the code yourself as you watch the videos. This hands-on approach ensures you understand each step and how everything fits together. Embrace mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Debugging and solving errors are essential parts of learning to code. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn. Ask for help. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to ask questions. Use the comments section, join coding communities, or find a study group. Collaboration and discussion are great ways to learn. Experiment. Once you understand the basics, try modifying the code. Change values, add new lines, and see what happens. This experimentation helps deepen your understanding. Remember, the journey to mastering Python is a marathon, not a sprint. Each small step you take today will bring you closer to being able to write those complex algorithms we saw at the beginning of the video. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons. Keep coding, stay curious, and see you in the next video.